Education 24/7. In this tutorial we will discuss about the third variation, if, else if and else statement. So let's begin. The syntax for the third variation looks like this: if, else if and else. Let's understand this variation with the help of example. Suppose integer age is equals to 18. If we write the condition in if age is less than equal to 17, and we write in its body printf you are a teenager. And the second condition for the else if age greater than equal to 18, and the message displayed at the output screen shall be printf you are not a teenager. And in the last, else, if there is an invalid age, then the message shall be printf invalid age. How this statement works? Firstly, if statement will be checked. The condition for if statement are less than and equal to 17. Here, age is not less than 17 and it is also not equal to 17. So both of the conditions are false. So it means it will move to the next statement, which is else if, and it has also two conditions: age greater than equal to 18. Here age is not greater than 18 but it is equal to 18, so it is correct. This condition is true. So other last else statement will automatically be false. As I told you earlier as well, if any of the if statement is true, then other conditions will be false. If we execute this program, then at the output screen you will see the message displayed will be you are not a teenager. Here you can see at the output screen you are not a teenager. Suppose if I write here integer age is equals to 500. So what do you think? Does any human being has an age of 500? No, it's an invalid age. So the message which shall be at the output screen shall be invalid age. But here you will see that in the else if statement there is written age greater than equal to 18. So the age is greater than 18, and if we execute this code, we will see at the output screen you are not a teenager anymore. So our second else if conditions, we have to look for the range of ages which are valid for humans. So we will write here age less than equal to or greater than equal to 18, and it shall be not more than 100. So now it will check first condition of if, which is age less than equal to 17. So the first condition of is if it is straight away false, then it will come to the next condition else if. Here you will see yes, age is greater than 18, which is 500, but it is not equal to 18. So first condition is true, but after AND operator here there is written age less than equal to 100. So age is 500, which is greater than 100. So this condition is false. So in AND operator, if any of the condition is false, the overall condition for else if will be false. So then if statements are false, then automatically the else statement will be true. So at the output screen you will see that there will be a message of invalid age. So if we execute this code, you will see at the output screen the message is displayed of invalid age. So this is how it works. Whenever you use if-else statement, you should think that what kind of work or what type of program you want to use. Suppose if I make all the conditions for else if statement same, let's suppose all have the same condition, age less than equal to 17. Also I want to make it clear that in the else statement we cannot use conditions. Some condition age less than equal to 17 or greater than equal to 17, this is not valid for C programming. C programming doesn't accept any condition for else alone. It only asserts the condition for if. We can write conditions in the body of else, like here in the body we can write if some conditions that is valid. This if-else statement or this type of variation checks the condition step by step, and it will check first condition of if. If the first condition is true, it will not move, and automatically else if and else statement will be false. As I told you in the last tutorial as well, if any of the if statement is true, then else statement will be false. If both of the if statement are false, then else statement will automatically be true. Let's suppose we write here 17. If we execute this code, first condition for if is true, then there will be a message at the output screen, you are a teenager, because age is equals to 17. Although the condition for else if is also true, but when the first condition is true, the C program will not execute or not look for other conditions for else. If we execute this program, you will see at the output screen the first message is delivered. At the output screen the first message is displayed, you are a teenager. So this is how if-else statement works. If you find any question, please do ask or join us on our Facebook page. Stay connected to Education 24/7.